It is wrong now to take the lives of Palestinian babies. We cannot condemn the taking of an Israeli baby's life and then condone the taking of a Palestinian baby's life. All babies' lives are equally as important, and we have to stand up for the lives of the Palestinian babies, the thousands that have lost their lives. This doesn't mean that you're antithetical to the lives of Israeli children. We have to acknowledge that the Israelis have suffered. But your suffering does allow you to have justice. But you cannot, in the name of justice, create an injustice. An injustice in the name of justice is an abomination. We have to have the courage to say to the world, this war must end. It's time to have a permanent bilateral ceasefire. It's time for us to bring peace, not only to one party, but to both parties. The Israelis deserve peace, and the Palestinians deserve peace. There must be peace for both. And remember this date, dear friends. Remember this date. May 14th, 1948. On May 14th, 1948, Israel unilaterally declared itself a nation. It did not have the consent of Palestinians. Palestinians were opposed. The President of the United States at that time, Truman, was the first world leader to recognize Israel as a state. Unilaterally. If President Truman could recognize Israel as a state without the consent of Palestinians, then surely President Biden can recognize Palestine as a state without the consent of Israelis. You don't have to have Israel's consent to recognize Palestine as a state. I am grateful for this opportunity to say a few words to you. But I know that we have to do more than simply utter words. Words are important. Emily Dickinson reminds us that a word is dead when it is said. Some say, I say it just begins to live that day. Words take on a life of their own. So it's up to you, each of you, to take a stand, to decide that you will become what you want me to be. You want me to take a stand for the Palestinians. You want me to stand up for the rights of the Palestinians. You and I have to do this together. I cannot make the difference by myself. I need your help. We must stand together. And if you believe that we can stand together and make a difference together, start right now. Let me see you take a stand for the Palestinians right now. Let me know that you believe in liberty and justice for all. Let me know that you believe all persons are created equal and endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, among them life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Take a stand. Posterity will reward us.
We are with you.
God bless you, and thank you for allowing me to have a word. God bless you.